Activating Xfinity Internet on the app is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys will be able to activate your Xfinity Internet on the app. The process is pretty simple and easy. You just need to follow these instructions. First things first, launch the Xfinity app and sign in. Now after logging into your Xfinity app, you just have to select Get Started to begin setting up your gateway. There should be a Get Started button because you are new to the app and they know that, so they will allow you to set up the thing. Now you just have to connect your gateway to a power source and then activate an active cable outlet. Now you just have to follow the app instructions to complete the activations. The application will keep on telling the instructions what you have to do. You just have to follow the instructions. And then they will want you to customize your Wi-Fi name and password. You just have to set your Wi-Fi name and password and then confirm your Wi-Fi settings. And there you go, your setup will be completed. Now you can actually connect your devices to your new Wi-Fi network. So that's very much it. That's how you'll be able to activate your Xfinity internet from the app. Hope you guys find this video helpful.